What's up, my people? How una dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. So I just want to rush do this video because I just say make I do this video drop today. And today I want to make we talk about hifami. I've been going to do video about like 1 week ago. I tell you now say I still dey test them, but if it go well, I'll still come back and talk about them. So today I won't come and make we talk about hifami update. Okay. For those of you who they see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. If you want to call up with my hand, make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe so that if I drop new update, they go notify you and make you know say this one no be financial advice. And me I no be financial advisor. So but the thing where they be say now just my experience I come here to come share. But if you define tutorial, because this one no be tutorial, this one a review. If you define my tutorial, make sure you follow me for my seeding account. Check my seeding account. You go see the tutorial inside it, or you go just check comment section or description if you see my seeding. So waiting be hifami and waiting be my experience. Then I go still come drop some ratings, give them. I go tell you now some things where I don't discover about this particular platform. Now hifami very simple. Now just one social app like that. We come out contact. If you use their app, they chat. You know, they make friends, international friends, and just they do things like that. Now, for their app, they can't get different features. They can't get that features where if you chat with people, they can't get some game features where they just say, if you make it they do 1 or 2 fun dice games, make it they call it. Now they can't get farming feature, virtual farm. If they plant virtual farm, they harvest virtual crops. Now waiting this platform, they all about be that. And another thing where they can't get now their affiliate program. Because if you tell 1 or 2 people about this update, say they give you small thing as they tell people about their update. Another thing be that. So one of my guy and I introduce this update, give me. I just say, make I check them. So as I check them out, the first day I've been checking out this update, I've been come out small in that same day. Instantly, I receive answer my OP. And the small thing will come on at 150 naira. You understand? Now 150 be the small thing will come on. I can't be happy. I can't do video talk about them. Now after that day, the next day, I still can't get small thing for my wallet again. I say me I come out. Now the first experience why I get from with this platform be say that small thing will can't come out, so you can't take 1 week extra 1 week before I can't see that small thing. Why? Because my VIP they very low and my level they low. I've been there around level 48 or 46. So the lower the level where you dey, the longer way it go take for you to receive your small thing. As I tell you on last week, this update they get within they call their gems. They get their gems, they get their coin, they get their point, they get plenty things. And if you be beginner, the thing go be very complicated as a beginner. But after some time, me I can't get used to the stuff. So now my experience be that for this platform. But they get some other things where I go like talk about for this particular platform, like their VIPs where they get and all those kind of things, them they are premium offer. If me now I won't give this platform pros and cons, what think be some of the things where I like and some of the things where I don't like about this platform. So many people don't overhype these updates. Make I no lie, you know. So many people don't overhype them. You know, be say the update no they work, they work, but people don't overhype them because there's some kind of things where no really make sense. Yeah. Some of the pros and cons with me I don't see for this particular platform. The first pro be say then they support local currency where be say if you come on your small input for your OP. The second pro be say they get plenty features. So be say if you don't want to do their virtual farm, if you chat, if you don't want chat, if you play their dice, if you don't want play their dice, if you do other things, even the affiliate program, they get plenty features for the platform. Another pro now can be say there are minimum amount for you to collect small thing. You know too plenty, but there is a trick, and the trick they can be say the more they use the platform, the more then they adjust the minimum amount where if you use carry collect small something for the platform. Because like I said, when I start now 150 where I come out, but now as it stands I know if you come out that 150 again. So they plenty, but as time goes on then go they adjust them, which for some people it go make sense, but for some people it go make sense. Now another thing I can't like about this update be say if you use them for fun, if you just use them for fun, make friends, talk to people, make different friends, join different family, different groups. If you just use them just for fun, they post your pictures and things like that. Or if you just enter there, make it they use them for fun. What think be some of the things I don't like about the update? They get so many premium offers. their premium offers too much. You go buy VIP, you go do this one, you go buy that one, you go buy that one, you go top up for this one, top up. Their premium offers too much. That's number one. Number two, even if you buy VIP one, you get some kind of level where you go reach. That VIP one no go make sense. So they will come talk say me you can't go for VIP two. You get some kind of level you go reach VIP two no go make sense. They can't increase them. And another thing I don't like be say their withdrawal no dey stable. I don't talk am before, you know they stable. So for the beginning, you go fit comot your small thing fast, but as time goes on, they go dey delay am. You understand? It takes 7 days before I collect my small thing. But for the beginning, it no be reach 3 minutes. I receive them. But now na 7 days straight. Okay. So I don't know in the future they fit increase and pass that 7 days. But I don't know for now. This is my experience for now. So now some of the things what I like and some of the things what I don't like about hifami now be this, okay? But apart from that, you get good ratings and so on and so forth. If I want rate the last time I be rate 6, I be 7/10. If I want rate today, I go give them 5/10. And that 5/10 get KLEC. It be like you go enter 4/10. I don't know about you. Share your own experience about this particular update for comment section. What do you think about hifami update? I don't use them. I don't use you know too bad. You know too good like that. But just not tell me what to not think. If they define update way they completely free, I don't think say hifami now where I will tell you make you go, because for hifami if you want use them completely free, make you know see go only depend on the affiliate program. But if you don't want depend on the affiliate program, no say you go need get their premium. Now another thing be that. So I just see me I can't tell you now. Anyways, I be don't do the tutorial. I did my seeding account sha. I don't drop on today for my seeding account. If it makes sense, if you know make sense, no wahala. So now my ratings be that, now my experience be that. So now so in the but I've been later receive my summoting. I don't come out summoting 4 times for the update, and I get around 60k gem within my account, and that 60k gem now around 50 something k for naira. My target now they find way make I get like 100k gem, you understand? I still they test the update, I'm still testing it. So anyhow in there I go still come back on let you know. If in case it no make sense later, I'll still come back on let you know. If then change like gem gala, I go still come back on let you know. If then change like work tax, I go still come back on let you know. So Mona tell me what you think, sha. Drop your own ratings for hifami for comment section, my people. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.